Hello, this is Mike, NoStressMike.com. And I've been saying we're in the rainy season. And now, I think you can see it. Can you see it? Oh, it shows up or not. There's the rain. Oh. And so we're getting it now. So that's probably more apparent. Yeah, it'll be more apparent in the back. Yeah. You see. Now we know it's rain. And boy, it's been thundering and thundering. But this is the first rain. And let's see. Temperature will be very good. It's comfortable, man. I don't know what it is, but it's comfortable. Ooh, it's raining. Don't want quite that much rain. Oh man, now the floor's dirty. Nah, it's okay. It's okay. So they do have rain. And see, well, tomorrow is May 1st. So that's what they said. It's May will be the wet month. The way I understand, May and June will be the wet months. And wow. Well, that's about it. Slowing down already. I kind of expected rain. Real rain. Uh-oh. Yeah, I better grab my mop. This is my mop. I don't know why it's so dirty. I already cleaned it. But it's okay. Yeah, it's all right. The coolness is nice. I bet you it's not even 95 degrees. I was getting my car started up. We'll find out. We'll see if it is or not. I got my tea. So. It's not hot. It's already cooled down. Okay. Well, let's find out. We're gonna. Oh yeah. Oh, and the rain is cold. Wow, the rain is cold. Now we're going to find out. 82 degrees. Man. Man, now that makes it really nice. Now we're going to find out the shower's going to be cold too. So, but anyway. And I need to go to the bank and to the ATM and get some money out of there. And, but we're not going to use as much money now. I spent all my money, well, last month and April, getting everything ready and all this kind of stuff. But I've spent it all. I mean, I don't think I need anything else. Now that's me talking. Now, once I get a senorita, she might have different ideas. So I don't know. We'll just have to wait and see, and we'll go from there. But anyway, I wanted to show you the rain. It really is rain. And but it stopped. Oh man. Oh. Oh man. Well, I'm glad I showed it to you when we had it. And yeah, there's the thunder. So, well, anyway, there is rain in the Yucatan Peninsula. This is Mike, NoStressMike.com.